In this video, we will be replacing the reverse lights in this 2012 Ford F150. At the rear of the vehicle, we first want to lower the tailgate. And taking a look at that tail light assembly, we can see two 8mm bolts that we will need to remove. Located at 2 points on this tail light assembly, we have retaining clips that need to be depressed just slightly so we can slide that tail light assembly out. Taking a look at the rear of the assembly, our reverse light bulb location is located in the middle of the 3 wiring harnesses. We can rotate that wiring harness counterclockwise and wiggle that out of the location. We can then wiggle that bulb straight out of the socket. And I always like to compare my old bulb with my new bulbs to make sure they look the same. And we can wiggle that new bulb into place with gloves, making sure that we do not touch the glass with our hands. We can then reinstall the bulb housing, lining up our tabs and rotating it about a quarter turn clockwise. That tail light assembly can then be repositioned back into place. And you will want to test them out. And the procedure for the passenger side tail light is identical to the driver's side. So there is no difference between the process to change these bulbs out on either side of the vehicle.